Hello children, welcome back to the computer class. Children, today we are going to learn lesson 7, writing procedure. Do you know children, what is procedure? Procedure is the method to do a particular task. For example, to make tea at your home. Let us see more about writing procedure with the presentations. So, what is procedure? A procedure is a set of logo command given one after the other to perform a particular task. Each procedure should always be given a particular name. For example, the steps you follow to switch on a computer. So, children, what is the step to switch on computer? Yes, first you find the on button. Second step, push the button lights up when the computer is on. Third step, once it's turn on it may go straight to the desktop. So, this is the procedure of to switch on a computer. A procedure has three parts: title line, body and line. Title line allows you to give a name to the procedure. It always starts with the word to. Body contains all the primitives or commands for drawing the desired figure. And line contains the word and, which convey the computer that primitives in the procedure are over. While you are writing procedure, we must keep certain point in our mind. A procedure can have letters, numbers and symbols. The first character should always be a letter. A procedure cannot have blank space and arithmetic operators. We should not use any logo command as a procedure name. Now, come to the how we can write a procedure using input box. First, click in the input box, type in 2 followed by the procedure name. For example, 2 triangle. Suppose आप एक procedure बना रहे हो जिसका नाम है ट्राइंगल. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप यू राइट इन इनपुट बॉक्स एंड राइट डाउन 2 triangle, name of the procedure, and press the enter key. The 2 mode input box will appear. Enter the primitive one after another by pressing the enter key. When all primitives are entered, type in and press enter key. The procedure will be defined. How we can execute the procedure? Type the procedure name in the input box and press the enter key. So, children, that's all for today. I hope you understood this topic very well. We will see more about writing procedure in next video with practical. Till then, bye bye.